We'll continue with next property. In nucleophilic substitution, Roman number 3, next property is with potassium cyanide, KCN. You can write KC triple bond N or simply KCN. Now see the general reaction. When alkyl halide react with KCN, fifth property. Under Roman number 3, fifth property is with KCN. You can write KCN directly or C triple bond N, any one. Reaction alcoholic medium, your KX get eliminated and we get RC triple bond N. Either you write RCN or RC triple bond N. If you show bonding, it is okay. If you don't show it, it is okay. Along with that, the byproduct will be KX. Now this alkyl cyanide are also called alkyl nitrile, and therefore there are 4 names for these compounds. First, all copy down the reaction. Roman number 3, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Under that, fifth property, potassium cyanide. Either you write KCN directly or KC triple bond N. You can write either any way you want. KX get eliminated and we get RCN. These are called alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitrile. Nitrile, nitrile. Alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitrile. Now we'll do one first example. Methyl bromide or bromomethane react with alcoholic KCN. KX will get eliminated. Come on, give me 4 names for this. 2 in form of cyanide and 2 in form of nitrile.
Methyl cyanide, cynomethane.
Very good. Methyl cyanide, cynomethane.
Acetone nitrile.
Yeah. Acetonitrile.
And ethane nitrile.
Very good. Very good. All 4 names are correct. Methyl cyanide, cynomethane. Acetonitrile. Ethane nitrile. Acetonitrile, ethane nitrile. Okay. So there are 4 names. Methyl cyanide, cynomethane. Acetonitrile, ethane nitrile. So these compounds are called cyanide and nitrile both. CN is a cyanide group, or functionally it is also called nitrile. Now do the second example. Come on, complete this. Ethyl chloride or chloroethane when react with sodium cyanide. Similarly, like potassium cyanide, we can use sodium cyanide also. Here NaCl will eliminate. Come on, give me the name of all 4 products. Well, sorry, 1 product but 4 names. Here you can write C triple bond N or simply CN. It's allowed.
Cyanoethane.
Yeah. Yeah.
Methyl cyanide.
Methyl cyanide, cyanoethane. Yeah.
Ethyl
Correct.
cyanide.
Propane nitrile and propione nitrile. I'll write on the remaining. Ethyl cyanide, cyanoethane, propione nitrile, because it is a derivative of propionic acid. So propione nitrile and IPC name propane nitrile. I hope all four names are very clear. Ethyl cyanide, cyanoethane, propione nitrile, propane nitrile. Anybody has copied? Can anybody give me the name of this? How will you name this? All four names.
Hydrogen cyanide.
Hydrogen cyanide. Okay.
Cyanohydrine.
Hydrogen cyanide, cyanohydrine. Yeah, next.
Formonitrile.
Formonitrile. Very good. Formonitrile. Last one. Methane nitrile, because there is only one carbon. Methane nitrile. Okay. So HCN is called hydrogen cyanide, cyanohydrine, formonitrile, methane nitrile. So this is how these alkyl cyanides are being named. That is their nomenclature. I hope everybody got it now. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. Now see, the part which is important out here is these alkyl cyanides are very important compound. Now in other chapters we are going to use them. Alkyl cyanide can be converted to acids. Alkyl cyanide can be converted to amines. So here only I'm going to teach you all how they further react. So because we are going to do NEET JEE simultaneously, so you have to learn that reactions also. So I'm giving you further, but this is there in HSC, so everybody should know it. Okay, but this is in a different chapter. It will come later, but everybody have to write down these reactions which I'm showing you all. That cyanide can be converted to acid. Now there are three parts in this. First is acid hydrolysis, B is alkaline hydrolysis, C is reduction. Okay, now A part. This alkyl cyanide, when react with water, you have to take 2 molecules of water. In presence of dilute HCl, whenever there is hydrolysis, we have to write either dilute HCl on the arrow, or you can write simply H plus or H3O plus. In exam also, if they give you just instead of dilute HCl, they give you H plus or H3O plus, means you are going to carry out hydrolysis out there. Now see, here this nitrogen will go with 3 hydrogen to form water, and RCN will get converted to COH. Along with that, we get ammonia. This ammonia reacts with HCl to form ammonium chloride. So sometimes they may give you the product out there to confuse ammonium chloride. Okay, byproduct. In MCQ, the option is given. This is a X. So what is X? So X can be either ammonia or ammonium chloride, both. So any one of this will be there in the option. They will not give you both. Either they will give you NH3 or they can give you NH4Cl. But both are correct. Copy down the general reaction and complete this reaction on your own. I'm not going to show you. Complete this. Here you have to write down 4 names. Just now I taught you all the 4 names. Out of 4 hydrogen, 3 will go with nitrogen. Both the oxygen here and 1 hydrogen which is left is here. Cyanide on hydrolysis gives you acid. Now here there are 4 names: hydrogen cyanide, cyanohydrine, formonitrile, methane nitrile. On hydrolysis will give you what? Anybody who can name the product?
Methanoic acid.
Very good. Methanoic acid. What is common name for methanoic acid? What is common name for methanoic acid?
Formic acid.
Formic
Formic
acid. Yeah, formic acid. Very good. So we get formic acid or methanoic acid, and along with that we get ammonia. Complete this second reaction on your own. Again, 4 names you have to write here. 4 names. I don't want 2 names. I want all the 4 names here. If you write and practice again and again, you will learn. Otherwise, you will forget. Because in exam, they can ask you in any form. I can ask you how methane nitrile is converted to formic acid. So you should know what is methane nitrile. I can write cyanohydrine to formic acid. So you should know what is cyanohydrine. So you have to know all the 4 names. Check your names. Methyl cyanide cyanomethane, acetonitrile ethane nitrile. Methyl cyanide cyanomethane, acetonitrile ethane nitrile. Come on, now anybody can name the give the product. What is formed?
Ethanoic acid, acetic acid.
Ethanoic acid.
Acetic acid, ethanoic acid.
Very good, very good, very good. So you all are learning, huh? Acetic acid, ethanoic acid. Write both the names along with that ammonia. Here also, formic acid, methanoic acid, acetic acid, ethanoic acid. Both the names are required. This is method of preparation of acids we'll be doing later. But just now also I'm teaching you, so we'll revise again. Don't worry. Hope everybody has completed. I'll change the slide. I told you this ammonia react with HCl to form ammonium chloride. So sometimes they may give you, instead of ammonia, ammonium chloride as a byproduct. In MCQ, option could be ammonium chloride also. So you have to remember that. If you want, you can just copy down this reaction also. Ammonia plus HCl gives you ammonium chloride. You know, dense white fume of ammonium chloride is formed when glass rod dipped in HCl is held near ammonia gas. Dense white fume of ammonium chloride are formed. Practically, we do this. Okay, now B part for cyanide. When alkyl cyanide undergo alkaline hydrolysis. So here we use NaOH and water. There we use 2 water molecules, but here we are using 1 NaOH and 1 water. Instead of NaOH, again we can use KOH also. So remember here, we can use KOH also. When you carry out alkaline hydrolysis, all 3 hydrogen, 1, 2 and 3, all 3 hydrogen will go with nitrogen to form ammonia, and we get sodium salt of acid. This sodium salt of acid further reacts with HCl. Here NaCl will go away and we get acids. So if you want to prepare acids from alkyl cyanide by alkaline hydrolysis, then you have to write 2 steps. But if you carry out acid hydrolysis, then you have to write only 1 step. Now complete with one example out here. Hydrogen cyanide. Again 4 names are required here, 4 names. Okay. If you want, you can write down here alkyl cyanide, sodium salt of acid, and here only acid. I'll repeat: alkyl cyanide, sodium salt of acid, and here only acid. Now in this case, 4 names. What are 4 names? Hydrogen cyanide, cyanohydrine, formonitrile, methane nitrile. Khan, can anybody tell me what is the product in the first step? What will be the name of the product in the first step?
Sodium formate.
Very good. Sodium formate, sodium methanoate. It is a salt of formic acid. So sodium formate, sodium methanoate. Sodium formate, sodium methanoate. Along with an ammonia. Now in second step, sodium formate reacts with HCl. Come on, what will be the product now?
Methanoic acid, formic acid.
Sodium
Very good.
methanoic acid, no?
Methanoic, only methanoic acid. Methanoic acid, formic acid. Okay, write the name of the last product: formic acid, methanoic acid.
I did something stupid. Ah.
Formic acid, methanoic acid.
So,
Yeah,
so I have a question.
yeah.
If we are calling this reaction as the alkaline hydrolysis of cyanide, how come we are using acid in the second step?
See, we actually, they'll ask you preparations of acid in this method. So when alkaline hydrolysis of cyanide is carried out, The product is sodium acetate. This is the product we got. Okay, na? But we want to prepare acids. So further what we do, we hydrolyze. So we get acid. They just tell you what is alkaline hydrolysis of cyanide. The product will be only first step. But as I told you, we are going to do in this in the preparations of acid, the chapter aldehyde ketone acids. That time will further carry out the reaction that sodium salt of acid react with HCl to form acids. Is it clear? Only first step is
Yes, sir.
alkaline hydrolysis of cyanide. Only that much is so they ask you alkaline hydrolysis of cyanide, then only the first step. But we want to convert
Okay.
cyanide to acid by alkaline hydrolysis. Then we have to do 2 steps.
Okay.
Getting it?
So, in terms, yes, sir. In terms of preparation of acid,
Yeah.
efficacy-wise, acidic hydrolysis is better.
Yeah, acidic hydrolysis is better.
With single step.
Here we have to do 2 steps. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
But this can also be done. So that is why we are showing all the both the possibilities. Like we have different methods of preparation. Huh? So one is like acid hydrolysis, one is alkaline hydrolysis. Okay. So we
Okay.
can do both the methods. Yeah. So I'll change the slide now. Now C part, from cyanide I told you we carry out reductions also. And this reduction of cyanide gives you amines. Now here, when cyanides are converted to amines, the reaction is called Mendes reduction reaction. This can be asked short note on Mendes reduction reaction. Same thing you have to write. When alkyl cyanide are reduced in presence of sodium and ethanol. Sodium and ethanol gives you 4 nascent hydrogen. Out of 4 hydrogen, 2 will attach with carbon and 2 will attach with nitrogen. So here we'll get CH3, CH2, NH2. We get ethylamine or ethanamine. Ethylamine or ethanamine. Here 4 names are required. Huh? 4 names I have to write. Methyl cyanide, cynomethane, acetonitrile, ethane nitrile. On reduction, we'll give you amine. Now this one you write it on your own. If hydrogen cyanide is reduced, what we'll get? Can anybody give me the name of the product which is formed here?
Methylamine.
Methylamine, methanamine.
Methylamine, methanamine.
Methylamine.
Methylamine, methanamine. Okay. And the reaction is called Mendes reduction reaction. Anybody has done with this? I'll change the slide now. Now you convert methyl methyl iodide to acetic acid. How will you write the reaction? Come on, everybody try this. Methyl iodide to acetic acid. ये कन्वर्जन करना है, मिथाइल आयोडाइड को एसिटिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट करना है. अभी मैंने जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टी सिखाया अभी ये लेक्चर में ही देखो, रिफर करो और बताओ. हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट दिस? कम ऑन, कोई बताएगा पहले क्या करूं मैं?
React methyl iodide with potassium cyanide first.
या वेरी गुड. मिथाइल आयोडाइड को पहले KCN से रिएक्ट करेंगे. क्या मिलेगा? मिथाइल साइनाइड मिलेगा. अभी क्या करना है?
Acidic hydrolysis.
या वेरी गुड. मिथाइल साइनाइड टू वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. हाँ, तो मुझे एसिडिक एसिड मिलेगा. along with that what do you get?
ammonia.
NH3. वेरी गुड. समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा, समझ आ रहा है ना? दो स्टेप देखो, एक मिथाइल आयोडाइड से मिथाइल साइनाइड ये चैप्टर में है, फिर मिथाइल साइनाइड से एसिडिक एसिड दूसरे चैप्टर में है. तो ऐसे लिंक करते हैं पूरे ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शंस. ओके, एक और कन्वर्जन करो. हाँ, मिथाइल आयोडाइड से प्रोपेन 1 अमाइन बनाना है. मिथाइल आयोडाइड से प्रोपेन 1 अमाइन बनाना है. क्या करोगे? चलो बोलो, पहले क्या करना है?
So ethyl iodide plus ammonia.
Hoffman's reaction.
नहीं, पहले इथाइल
हाँ.
इथाइल आयोडाइड को किससे रिएक्ट करोगे?
Ammonia.
नहीं, अमोनिया से नहीं
अमोनिया।
करेंगे, पहले KCN से करेंगे.
हाँ, sorry, KCN, sorry.
पहले KCN से करोगे तो इथाइल साइनाइड मिलेगा. अभी जो इथाइल साइनाइड मिला ना, उसका रिडक्शन करोगे 4 नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन. मेंडिस रिडक्शन अभी सिखाया वो. एरो पे क्या लिखोगे? सोडियम और इथेनॉल. ये मिलेगा बस, नो बाय प्रोडक्ट। एरो पे सोडियम एंड इथेनॉल, देखो पहले इथाइल आयोडाइड को KCN से रिएक्ट किया तो इथाइल साइनाइड बन गया। अभी इथाइल साइनाइड का रिडक्शन करोगे तो प्रोपेन 1 अमाइन बनेगा। तो इथाइल से प्रोपेन, मतलब जब भी चेन बढ़ाना है, एक कार्बन बढ़ाना है, तो हमेशा KCN यूज करना पड़ेगा। सो KCN इज यूज्ड फॉर इंक्रीजिंग द चेन। अगर इथाइल आयोडाइड से इथाइल अमाइन बनाना होता तो मैं हॉफमैन्स अमोनोलिसिस करता, डायरेक्टली अमोनिया से रिएक्ट कर लूं, सेम कार्बन चाहिए तो। पर अगर कार्बन बढ़ाना है तो KCN यूज करना पड़ेगा। इज इट क्लियर? दोनों एग्जांपल समझ आए? Okay, I'll change the slide now. सिल्वर साइनाइड से नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन इज विद सिल्वर साइनाइड। हमने पोटेशियम साइनाइड से रिएक्शन किया था, अभी हम सिल्वर साइनाइड से करेंगे। जब अल्काइल हैलाइड को सिल्वर साइनाइड से रिएक्ट करते हैं तो AgX निकल जाता है और RNC, अभी किसी को मालूम है ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप को क्या बुलाते हैं? Can anybody tell me what is NC as a functional group? No one.
Isocyanate.
Same na, sir.
Isocyanide,
Isocyanide.
या
Okay.
आइसोनाइट्राइल, इसको बोलते
Okay.
हैं। हाँ, अल्काइल आइसोसाइनाइड या अल्काइल आइसोनाइट्राइल। along with that we get AgX। अगर तुमने पोटेशियम यूज किया तो साइनाइड बनते हैं, पर सिल्वर यूज करोगे तो आइसोसाइनाइड बनते हैं। अभी ऐसा क्यों? जब पोटेशियम यूज करते हैं ना तो ये आयोनिक बॉन्ड होता है, तो ये दोनों जल्दी टूट जाता है। जब तुम पोटेशियम यूज करोगे तो ये आयोनिक बॉन्ड होता है, पर जब सिल्वर यूज कर देना तो सिल्वर और कार्बन के बीच में आयोनिक बॉन्ड कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बन जाता है। साइनाइड एक एम्बीडेंटेड लिगेंड है, ये लिगेंड एम्बीडेंटेड लिगेंड, न्यूक्लियोफाइल, एम्बीडेंटेड न्यूक्लियोफाइल। न्यूक्लियोफाइल क्या होते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनर। अभी एम्बीडेंटेड न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स क्या होते हैं? जिनमें दोनों डोनर होते हैं। यहाँ पे कार्बन भी डोनर है, नाइट्रोजन भी डोनर है। पर जब पोटेशियम होता है तो पोटेशियम और कार्बन का बॉन्ड वीक होता है, तो जल्दी टूट जाता है, तो कार्बन डोनर का काम करता है। पर जब सिल्वर और कार्बन होते हैं तो इनका बॉन्ड स्ट्रांग होने की वजह से नाइट्रोजन डोनर का काम करता है, इसलिए नाइट्रोजन यहाँ पे अटैक करता है और आइसोसाइनाइड बन जाता है। सो व्हेन यू यूज KCN we get a product as cyanide, but when you use silver the product we get is isocyanide. The reason is cyanide is an ambidentate nucleophile। मैं ये लिखूंगा, बाद में लिखा दूंगा, तुम अभी पहले इतना कॉपी करो। Copy this. AgX reacts with silver cyanide to give you alkyl isocyanide और अल्काइल आइसोनाइट्राइल, दोनों लिखो। आइसोसाइनाइड और आइसोनाइट्राइल दोनों लिखो। अभी ये एग्जांपल कंप्लीट करो।
Methyl isocyanide.
हाँ, मिथाइल आइसोसाइनाइड, मीथेन आइसोसाइनाइड, और आईपीसीनेम में भी ऐसे ही आएगा। सॉरी, दूसरा आइसोनाइट्राइल में भी ऐसे ही आएगा, मिथाइल आइसोनाइट्राइल, मीथेन आइसोनाइट्राइल। 4 नाम आएंगे इधर भी, क्योंकि आइसोसाइनाइड या आइसोनाइट्राइल है। सिमिलरली इथाइल क्लोराइड या क्लोरोइथेन से भी कंप्लीट करो। 4 नाम लिखने हैं, इथाइल आइसोसाइनाइड, इथेन आइसोसाइनाइड, इथाइल आइसोनाइट्राइल, इथेन आइसोनाइट्राइल। नोट लिख दो वहां पर, साइनाइड इज एन एम्बिडेंटेड न्यूक्लियोफाइल। Cyanide is an ambidentate nucleophile.
Sir, can you repeat?
Cyanide, CN. Cyanide is an CN minus. Cyanide is an ambidentate. Ambidentate nucleophile. तो लिखो, in case of KCN, the bond between carbon and cyanide is ionic bond, which is weak. Therefore, carbon attacks alkyl group, which is the bond between potassium and cyanide is weak. Therefore, carbon attacks alkyl group and the products are alkyl cyanide. In case of AgCN,